Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power and indicator lights on your modem and router. These show network readiness. Once done, plug an Ethernet cable from modem to router, then from router to your computer if you prefer wired speed. Make sure you have your ISP login and Wi-Fi password available because you may need them. If you choose Wi-Fi, locate the SSID on the router label. Otherwise, keep the Ethernet port free of dust and seated firmly for best stability. Now you configure the computer. You open your system network settings, Windows settings, Mac OS network, or your Linux network manager, and pick Ethernet or Wi-Fi. If wireless, select the SSID and enter the router password. If wired, check link speed and adapter status. Make sure the interface is set to DHCP for automatic addressing unless you need a static IP. In that case, input IP, subnet mask, gateway, and DNS. After applying, test by pinging a public host to verify reachability. You finish by verifying the connection. Open a browser and load a site or ping 8 to check routing. If nothing loads, restart your modem, router, and computer in that order, then retry. Make sure cables are tight, Wi-Fi channels aren't congested, and your network adapter drivers are up to date. If problems persist, contact your ISP to check for outages, but first, confirm your router's status LEDs and provide them with any error messages you see for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.